I'm Buzz Black with DSN Software, and I'd like to share a little bit about some thoughts in building relationship. I know that those of you who are building relationship with your referring doctor practices know about relationship building. Certainly that's the cornerstone of Seattle Study Club philosophy, and with each other. Being involved with practice management software and working with practices for many, many years, it's interesting how often I see different attitudes in understanding relationship, but not always incorporating and folding into practice management software how that relationship can be developed and continued. For example, regardless of what software you might use, you may or may not be able to keep certain information, such as a patient's preferred name. For example, again, my name is Buzz, I'm Elizabeth, very few people call me that. Some call me Buzz Lightyear, some call me other things, but my point is that when I interface with a particular business, be it my dental office, they know I'm Buzz. And so when my name comes up, they can search for Buzz. Elizabeth may come up in other areas for legal reasons, but they know to always call me that, and perhaps they've taken a photograph and they can recognize me when I walk in the door. They can know what my preferences are for being seen by which particular provider. There may be, if it's a hygiene practice, which hygienist I would prefer to see. And the software can track all of that so that every time a patient calls, then that information comes up on the screen, and the practice, should there be turnover, looks so smart because they know it's Buzz, they know that I love Bengal cats, they know that I've been in recently and I prefer to come in every 3 months, they know if I prefer tooth whitening systems or things like this, and they may know that I am an avid gardener or certain hobbies and interests that I have, that I prefer to be contacted on my cell phone, and I prefer to have some things confirmed by email, and all of those settings can be done in most practice management software programs. But it's interesting to me how often I find practices not using those features and instead putting in information, scheduling, posting, billing, recall, but all of these other aspects that can be built there for relationship are there and can be honed and mined and reported on and marketed to, and that's something that we're continually working on at DSN Software, but I think any software should be able to take you that direction. So if you're not already doing that, look into your software, look into the features, find out what more you could be doing to build that relationship with your patients, your referring practice associates who send patients to you, and know that that's there so that at the blink of an eye, when you press that key, up comes that information, and you will look so smart and sound so smart, and of course you probably are, because you're with a Seattle Study Club practice.